Welcome to this video, guys, and this video shows how I steal how I steal other people's design, or will I call it steal, so that you can know AI is really crazy right now. So you can actually recreate other people's design with your own style, with your own subject, right? And that is really crazy. And graphic designers should actually look into this, and even those that need designs and they don't know how to create designs, and probably they don't have the money to pay to create designs, or even if you have the money to pay to create design, you have the time to just try something out, you can check it out, right? You can do it yourself. So what exactly did I do? Look at this character right here. I made this character the subject, right? You can see that these are different results that it was able to give me. And let me scroll down. This is the scene. I gave it a scene. I just went online on Google. I downloaded one Google image to give it as a subject, and I used this as a scene. I downloaded it on Google as well, just like all this party something, right? And also the style, I also used the same image as the style, the scene and the style. And I now prompted it. I prompted it to replace the character, or replace the scene with this particular subject of mine, you understand, and create a party-wide night headline. You can see that the headline is different from this fire night, right? And there are other details that are included into this, because I didn't change them, right, just to try something out. But mind you, every single text right here is perfect. It is written perfectly without any AI mistake, any AI effect, or AI deformation, right? And every single text right here is perfect. And I can change the text, I can edit the text, or remove any text from it. You can see how crazy AI has really gone, right? I can just get inspiration from someone's design just by uploading the person's design as a scene and the style, right? I can take my own character online, that okay, change the character to this, or change this to this, change that to that. Just look at this right now. Let me click on it. You can see it. So it's generated a new prompt that created this particular image. You can see that this character is similar to this one. You can see that the scene is very similar to something party, right? And all the text are picked from here, except the one that I told you to change, which is the party wide night. And that's really crazy. This is another sample right here, so that you can create multiple samples and you can just edit the one that you want to use. Look at it. Look at this one. I really like this one so much. Look at the 3D image. And the funniest thing about this thing is that you can refine the prompts, right? You can refine it, and you can even make an edit on a particular image that is being generated. You can also generate it in different aspect ratio. Let me say you can generate it in square, in portrait, and in landscape. So these are square, right? These images are in square, and you can also do your settings right here, best quality or normal quality. You understand? You can favorite, you can even animate. You can animate it, and that's really crazy. I'm going to show you the one that I animated later on. So let me show you how to make an edit. So if you want to edit the prompt, right, so that it's going to regenerate something, so you can just read this prompt. You can see that this party wide night that is put right here, this is it. So you can change it to party wide whatever, or whatsoever text. You can see the text, other text that is actually used on the image. You can see it right there. And you can also refine. So what do I mean by refine? Another way you can refine is that you can tell it that, okay, I want the lady to put on a white inner clothes instead of yellow. You understand? You can just input your prompt right here, so you can see how crazy it is. That is refining. You can tell it that this 2408, change it to another date. Yeah, this Digitech, you can see this performances by I put Digitech music. You understand? Just for refinement. Yeah. So you can put website, you can change anything depending on any image that you bring. You can use it to create church flyers, business flyers, whatsoever, even animated flyers, maybe 3D or whatsoever modeling, you understand. Just bring the character, bring the scene. I just use this particular one for an example as a flyers because I know a lot of people need flyers to promote whatsoever they are promoting, right? So you can include your own subject. That is, you can even include your own face. If you want to put you like a design, you saw it online or someone posted it, or you already have a design, probably your graphic designer designed it, or you are a graphic designer that designed it and you want to change the face, right? Change the text, but you want to use that particular design, how it looks. You want to give it that kind of style. You understand? Bring it into the scene, bring it into the style, and bring the subject, which is the image, the person, the character that you want to change. Bring it there. Then just tell it to replace the face in the distance. So let me go to another one. So this is another one right here. You can see this is my own subject, which is my face right here. You can see my face right here. I use it as a subject, right? And the previous one that was here, you can see I was not able to see it completely. It was the face of a white person. So I uploaded it as the scene. I uploaded it as the style, right? And I uploaded my own picture, my own portraits, you understand, as a subject. So I now told it to what? To replace the face. You understand? This is for my YouTube channel, which is one of my thumbnail, right? So it should replace the face with my own face. So it replaced the face. You can see the face of the person right here, and this is it, right? I change it to this, which is mine, right? I'm very, very close. You can also refine it. You can edit the prompt. You can even tell it to create more right here. And you can see the Google VEO theory is put it there with the AI. You understand? It might not be the exact thing, you understand, but it's going to be the exact future. Are you getting it now? You can see Google VEO theory. You can see in 3D the color, everything is correct, even with the robots behind the Google VEO theory. Crazy review, you can see crazy review right here, and you can see there is a little bit difference, right? But image also changed. And that is really, really crazy. That is really, really crazy. I think AI is going a very long way. A very, very long way right here. So let me show you another one. Yeah, this is another one right here. I can't find this thing. I think it has removed automatically. But those that already know the video that I normally post, where the guy with the lady, we were talking on camera, on a selfie camera, you understand, that was the image that I just screenshotted and I posted. You understand, I told it to create a movie flyer, you understand, a movie flyer for that particular image or for that particular video. So look at it right here, see what it's actually created. This is so crazy. This is really, really this is really, really crazy. It's matched the clothes perfectly, the dress perfectly, the head tie, you understand, perfectly. Look at this. Look at another sample right here. You can keep generating to know to know how it actually works, right? So if you're already on Pro, right, Gemini Pro, you understand, you can create unlimited, you can generate unlimited of this every single day. You understand, you can create unlimited of this every single day. And let me go to another one. Look at this one. I also uploaded one sample, right? I gave it one sample and I told it to change into this. So see what it actually brought out for me. I created another one, generated down. So I was trying to refine it. Look at it, another refinement. Look at this one. Look at this one, like a lady's nice glow. Look at this one. You can see it's already getting really crazy. You understand? Yeah, look at this one, look at this one, and so on and so forth. So even this one as well, right? I brought an image in, which is an image of real estate promotional flyer, right? And I was the one that generated it initially with AI, so I brought it here to refine it to generate something similar again. So look at it, and that is really, really crazy. That is really crazy, right? And those that will be seeing how I created all these videos from scratch to finish, you understand, check the video or check the course that the AI text to video course. It's already included, right? So if you've not gotten it, make sure you get the AI text to video course. Then you'll be able to see how to create this as well. 100% how you can create it, how you can generate it yourself, how you can add characters, you understand, how you can go online to make research and so on and so forth, or even how you can get any inspiration, upload anything and be able to create any flyer with perfect text. It will just be as if you gave a professional to design it for you and collected 30,000, 50,000 or even more, right? And that is really crazy. But what actually did this for you? AI did this for you for free, 100% free. So make sure you click on the link in the description to get the AI text to video course, as I'll be giving 2 slots discounts for today. Thank you guys. Bye.